Canva AI video generation just got a major upgrade. With the power of Google's Veo 3, we can now generate jaw-dropping video clips with built-in audio. Veo 3 not only generates professional quality AI videos, but also adds synchronized audio, such as sound effects, music, or even dialogue. And keep in mind, this is not the same Magic Media text-to-video feature that you've been using. You're about to learn a brand new way to generate next-level AI videos on Canva. To access Canva and follow along, feel free to scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description. So here's the Canva homepage. To generate video clips using Veo 3, the first thing we need to do is go to the Canva AI menu. If you look at the left-hand side of the screen here, you should see a tab that says Canva AI. Let's click that now. This will take us over to Canva AI where we can access several AI tools available on Canva. From the options here, you should see a tab that says Create a Video Clip. Here's where we can use the cutting-edge Veo 3 video generation model, but keep in mind you'll need a Canva Pro account. So to test out Veo 3, let's click the Create a Video Clip tab. When you select Create a Video Clip, you should notice the menu options change at the bottom here. These are various settings and options to help us fully customize our video. So to generate a video clip using Veo 3, let's start by typing in a text prompt into the text field up top here. I'm currently working on a new AI course, so let's see if we can use the Create a Video Clip feature to create some B-roll for my online course promo. To generate a video using Veo 3, simply describe the video that you want using a text prompt in the description box up top. For my first video clip, I could simply type in a friendly-looking AI robot working on a laptop. And this would probably get a cool result. But since we're testing out the Veo 3 video generation model, I'm gonna add a much more detailed text prompt and see how it handles it. So instead of just saying an AI robot working on a laptop, I'm gonna ask it to create a video of a sleek futuristic AI robot with expressive blue LED eyes and a warm smile, seated at a modern desk in a cozy, sunlit workspace. It's typing thoughtfully on a glowing laptop, surrounded by floating holographic data and digital sketches. The atmosphere is friendly, inspiring, like a scene from a heartwarming sci-fi film. So as you can see, this text prompt is much more detailed. So let's see if Veo 3 includes everything I asked for. But before I generate my video clip, let's check out the video options down at the bottom here. From the Style drop-down menu, we can select the style that we want AI to use for our video. They have everything from cinematic and photorealistic to animated and cartoon. For my AI robot video clip, I think I'm gonna go with cinematic. And from the aspect ratio drop-down menu, we can currently only select 16:9, but 9:16 is coming soon. And under duration, we can currently only select to create an 8-second video, but they're working on a custom duration option. And from the framing drop-down menu, there are several cool shots that you can select for your video. This includes things like a wide shot, a close-up shot, and even a point of view shot. For this example, I think I'll just go with the medium shot. And for the last drop-down menu, we can select our video lighting. Here's where you can select how you want the lighting to look in your video, with options like soft lighting, hard lighting, and dark lighting. For my video, I think soft lighting will fit the tone the best. So after you enter your text prompt and select your video settings, go ahead and click the submit button on the right-hand side here. Canva AI will then analyze your text prompt and start generating your video using the Veo 3 model. This may take a few moments, but once it's finished, your new AI video should be available here. And here's my AI robot on a laptop. To preview your video, you can simply hover your mouse over it, but I'm gonna click it to make it a bit bigger. There we go. So since I generated my video with Veo 3, it should have sound included as well. So let's play my video and see how it came out. Wow, that's incredible. The video had sound effects, music, and everything I asked for in my text prompt, from the floating holographic data to the friendly and inspiring atmosphere. So now that I've generated my video, I can download it by clicking the download icon at the top here. And the video clip should be downloaded to my device. I can now use my new AI generated video as B-roll for my upcoming course promo. And speaking of online courses, if you're a content creator, designer, or have other skills you'd like to share, one of the most powerful ways to monetize your knowledge is by teaching online. I know launching an online course can sound overwhelming, but what if you had a platform that actually helps you build your course using AI? Well, that's where Teachable comes in. I've partnered with Teachable to show you one of the best online businesses you can start today, which is helping others learn what you already know. And by downloading Teachable's free Modern Course Creator Playbook, you can master the skills you need to build, sell, and scale smarter in 2025. This practical guide is packed with strategies to help you simplify your systems, clarify your value, and create offers that actually sell in this ever-evolving AI-driven market. Everyone has something to teach, so to learn everything you need to turn your expertise into impact and income, scan the QR code on the screen, or click the link in the video description to download the free Modern Course Creator Playbook and start monetizing your knowledge with online courses. So you've already generated your video clip on Canva using Veo 3, but let's say you need to make some changes, or you forgot to add something to your text prompt that you need to include in your video. From the left-hand side panel here, you should see a text field at the bottom where you can interact with AI. Using a new text prompt, you can add new objects to your video, change the camera angle, the style, or make any other changes you wish. To test this out, let's see if we can add a coffee cup to the desk in my video. And once you've described the changes that you want to make, go ahead and click the submit button at the bottom right. AI will then analyze your text prompt and start generating your new video. And here's the updated version of my AI robot on a laptop. Let's click it to add it to the preview screen on the right. There's definitely a coffee cup on the table now, but let's play the video and see if all my other elements are included. Not bad. It has everything from my AI robot typing on a laptop to my floating holographic data. You can also hear the typing sounds and some ambient music in the background. I actually think I like this version better. And to download my new video, I can simply click the download icon at the top and use my new video clip for my next project. So now let's go back to the Canva AI main menu and go over another example using Veo 3, but this time I want to see if it can generate dialogue. What really sets Veo 3 apart from other video generation models is its ability to add sounds and even voices to the videos. So to see how it does when generating dialogue, let's see if we can generate a video of a businessman walking with a robot on the sidewalk of a busy city street. But since we're using Veo 3, let's make the text prompt a bit more detailed. For my prompt, I'm going to type in a hyper-realistic video of a sharply dressed businessman in a tailored suit walking side by side with a sleek-looking humanoid robot. They're deep in conversation, gesturing naturally as they stroll down a bustling city sidewalk lined with glass skyscrapers, neon signs, and passing pedestrians. The robot's eyes glow softly with intelligence, and his movements are fluid and human-like. I think that's a much better text prompt. From the Style tab at the bottom, I'm also going to select Photorealistic because I also want to see how realistic Veo 3 can make things look. So to have AI generate my video, let's click the Submit button at the bottom right. AI will then analyze my text prompt and start generating my video. And here's my businessman walking and talking with a robot down a busy city street. Let's click it to open up the preview screen. There we go. So let's play the video and see how it came out.
I believe this new alloy will revolutionize the entire industry.
Calculations confirm a 73.4%.
Wow, that's incredible. Not only does it look super realistic, but you can also hear them having a full conversation and even the city sounds in the background. Using the icon up top here, I can now download my video, or if I like, I can also open it up in the Canva editor using the button here. This will open up your video in the Canva editor, where you can use Canva's tools to enhance or customize your video even further. Feel free to add effects, text, graphics, or any other elements you wish. You can even combine clips to create a custom video, or maybe even an online course promo. So that's a quick overview of how to use Veo 3 on Canva to create jaw-dropping videos with built-in audio. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.